So Lou and I are making the Spellbook from Hocus Pocus as a brownie. So we're not the best bakers, but we're gonna try this out and see if they're any good. And there's my sidekick, my sous chef, and my second sous chef. Are we ready? Yes. All right, here is what we're working with. We have the brownie mix because we are definitely not making it from scratch. I got chocolate frosting, but I don't think we're gonna need it because we're gonna be using the black icing. And do you think we have enough eyeballs? I think we do. And then Lou convinced me to get the Halloween themed sprinkles.
Sprinkles are always right for cupcakes.
Brownies.
Oh, brownies.
I don't know if we'll use those, but we'll see. So we're gonna make the brownies
Hocus Pocus.
and check back in.
I'm adding the butter.
All right. Ooh, our oven's preheated. Melted butter.
Both of them.
Okay. All right, here's a little hack.
And then,
Kids want to help crack the eggs?
and then,
Don't have them crack it in there. Have them crack it in there.
no,
All right, one at a time. E first.
E first.
Okay, good, good. Okay, a little closer. You have to crack a little more. Go all the way around. You got this. No. You got this. A little more.
It looks like there's green slime in there.
Okay. Ready? Ready? Pull. Remember, don't squeeze. Pull. Use your thumb and get your.
Oh,
Ooh.
the eyeball fell.
Just one shell, not too shabby. Good job. All right, Lou's turn.
See if I get any shells.
Go wash up.
You're a zombie from Hocus Pocus.
Yeah, you can.
You're the zombie from Hocus Pocus.
Oh, you're the zombie? Okay.
No, I'm not.
All right, go girl.
Don't be
Okay.
mean. I'm not the zombie.
We're gonna have to speed up this portion of the video because it takes forever. Okay, remember, get your thumbs in there. There. Ooh, master cracker. All right, go wash up.
Yeah. And ice.
All right, go girl.
Smash
Pour
it.
the eggs in.
Put the
Eggs
eggs
in
Put the
there.
put the eyeballs in so when we're done, we don't need to put those eyeballs. It'll put it on itself.
Okay. All right. Now let's mix.
Oh my God,
All right. So we mixed up the batter.
Delicious.
It smells
Delicious.
amazing.
Delicious.
So now we're gonna put it in the oven,
Rabbit.
and the fun part will come after that.
Yeah.
What's the best part of baking?
Mommy, let me Eating the spoon.
Licking the spoons?
Look how much I got.
Yeah, you did. What do you think, E?
Yummy.
Is it yummy?
It's so yummy. It's like a brownie already.
Yeah.
It feels like my heart is beating up. Delicious.
And this isn't any brownie mix. This is Trader Joe's truffle baking mix with chocolate chips. All right, so there are the brownies out of the oven. I wish you could smell them right now. They smell amazing. But we're gonna let these cool off for about 30 minutes. Remember how I said at the beginning of this video that I'm not a great baker? I might have overcooked the brownies. I don't know. They're possibly salvageable. You wanna try, Lucille?
Yeah,
Take a little piece.
I'll take a little piece.
You still have brownie all over your mouth.
Actually, it's pretty gooey.
It's pretty good. Okay. All right. So they're salvageable. Except they kind of stuck to the pan a little bit, so you can see this one here, a little messed up. But you know what? Like, look here. It's going to add to the character of the book, right? Okay. So next, we're going to use a little bit of black icing and the eyeballs, and we're going to create the book shape. So I'm going to show you guys what to do. So there you have it. The beautiful Spellbook Brownies inspired by our favorite Halloween movie, Hocus Pocus. I hope you try these. And if you do, please leave me a comment and let me know what you think. And if you like this video and you find it helpful, please leave it a thumbs up.